What's up, everyone? And in today's video, we're going to be speedrunning Only Up in Virtual Stump. And here is my friend Rooter VR. I will be doing it with him today. His channel will be in the description. Please subscribe to him. I'm on the road to 650 before May, as you know. And unfortunately, CapCut has been banned because of TikTok and all that, so I don't know how I'm going to use like other apps and stuff. But otherwise, let's get into the video. Alright guys, as you can see, we're now in Virtual Stump. We're going to get ready to play Monkey Up. He beat it. He's beaten it once. I have not beaten it yet. So, it's pretty interesting, so let's see what happens. Alright.
First person.
We are now starting.
Okay, come on.
Speedrun. Monkey Up.
Charismatic. Okay, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
You probably will. Oh no.
Oh my god. 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 I'm gonna die.
Get out of my way.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. How did I miss that jump?
Michael.
Alright, come on, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Hey, you got this. Team it up. Probably be better.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
Remember guys, if you want to play this game, it's in Virtual Stump in arcade. It's in arcade. Guys, he fell at the bottom. He fell at the bottom. Guys, we're locked in. Chat, we're locked in. We are locked in. We are locked in.
There's about like a 100% chance I'm gonna beat it. I mean, no, 99. Sorry, guys, please forgive it. Where are you, fam?
Come on. I'm up. I'm about to reach the snow part.
If you guys think I'll beat him, please subscribe.
If you guys think I'll beat Rooter VR in this, please subscribe and like every single one of my videos, okay? I don't know. I usually fall on this part.
I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Nobody had to see that.
Alright guys, we're about almost a quarter of the way there or something. I don't know how far that thing is actually.
Oh my god.
Alright, he's currently going a lot. He's currently going way faster than I am.
Oh my god.
Remember guys, slow and steady wins the race, guys.
No. Fast and Teddy wins the race.
Fast and what?
God. Oh my god.
No!
Oh, I didn't fall all the way to the bottom. Now I just fall all the way to the bottom. Come on,
Guys, I just fell.
Lock in. Lock in. I said let me cook.
Guys, we have just fell all the way to the bottom. Oh my god. Okay. That's not.
Oh, I forgot. I'm still on a video. Oops.
Oh my god.
Sorry about that, guys. Let me cook. Let me cook.
Guys, this video might end up this video might be very long, just saying.
Yeah, real.
Might be even like an hour long.
Oh my god, why is that stuck in my head? I'm sorry, the
Go away! You got in my way, I almost fell!
Good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I almost fell.
I'm hungry, I wanna eat lunch.
No, come on guys, we're speedrunning this, but we're not. Wait, I need to take off my.
Guys, comment your favorite lunch meal in the comment. I don't know what I'm saying.
Lunchly's mine.
No, not Lunchly, bro. Shut up.
W Lunchly.
Screw Lunchly.
Lunchly.
Screw Lunchly.
Do you guys like
Its cheese is too drippy.
Lunchly, in my opinion, W in the chat. W in the chat. W in the chat. W in the chat.
I can already tell this video is gonna take forever to edit.
I'm the panther dressed in black. Once I give you a girl a face. No. Oh my god, look, I'm locked in for that quarter.
Alright guys, we cannot fall again. We cannot fall, okay?
Okay.
We just can't.
Not up here. And we made it. We're not cooked. We're gonna beat it now. No, bro. Bro, I fell all the way to the bottom again. Guys, this is gonna be a very long video, and we're trying
Oh.
to be.
No, not again.
Okay, come on. I got this. Come on, I got this. I got this. This is an attempted speed run. This is an attempted speed run. This is an attempted.
Attempted. We
No,
might not
notice-
accomplish, but we'll attempt.
Notice as I'm saying attempted. Attempted.
Go away.
Come on. Oh my god, no, I'm gonna
You
fall.
mysterious black figure.
What is this? Question mark, question mark, question mark. I want the blue lagoon here. Sigma. Oh yeah. No. Yeah, you just saw that. You just saw it. Scale. Oh my god. Oh my god. If I hit something, you have to subscribe. I just wanna let you guys know. Oh my god, I did not make that. Oh my god, I did. Guys, I got ahead of myself over there, so we have to lock in. Oh my god.
No. Okay, I'm selling.
God, I saw it. Okay, we're here. Okay, we're not cooks, guys. We're gonna make it.
Oh my god. Bro.
Oh my god.
Sometimes I just hate this game with a passion, you know.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. Okay, we're not cooks. We're getting to the top. Because I know one day
Oh my god, come on. Got it. Okay. Alright, I'm locked in, chat. I am locked in. Are we locked in? Then stay. No, are we? Oh my god.
Pull the Sigma on the frizz. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened?
Sigma should be left in 2024. I don't know. I think Sigma should come with us in 2025. Guys, notice how I'm cooking up in Monkey Ball. Monkey up. Like, look, I'm at the eagle, basically. Fan.
Yeah.
I'm at the spiral stairs.
Oh my god, no! I'm gonna commit die, guys. I'm gonna commit die.
You're gonna commit die is crazy. Don't commit die, guys. Lesson by Butterwaffle VR. Oh, it's a wall thing. Guys, I need to stop with the stupid brain rot. Comment if I need to stop with the brain rot. Hey, we're on the squishy. I hate this sound. What is it? Sorry. The sound
What the-
actually makes me want to throw up.
What is going on?
No! Oh my god, I fell on the statue. Almost the statue see through. Which it is.
Alright, we're back up here.
Whoa! Look, guys, I beat it. Whoa!
You already beat it?
Whoa, I beat it, guys.
No, you did not.
Did you guys not just see that? Okay.
You just fell all the way to the bottom.
Okay. The speedrunning is over. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you.
But how did he already
It took
finish?
me approximately 8 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay. See you guys next video. Bye-bye.
How did you finish?
I didn't.
Bro.
I did. Trust, I finished.
Oh my god. Alright, chat. Guys, everyone, if I fall all the way to the bottom 2 more times, I'm sorry, but this video is ending.
Dan, my video is 11 minutes.
I'm locking in. Guys, sorry if I don't speak that much. I'm gonna be locked in, okay?
Fan.
Yeah.
Fan.
What?
I'm going to city, okay?
Okay, have fun. I'll
Come
be
to city
torturing
when
myself.
you're done, okay?
Okay.
Come to city when you're done.
Okay. Alright, guys, well, he's gone. So, no, no. Okay. We're not gonna go on that because that's a lot more difficult. Okay. Alright, guys. Making some progress. Look, just look at that. I have to go all the way up there. Like, who is that guy? Freaking ogre or something. Alright, Chad, if I fall literally 2 months, this video's ending. Okay, wow. Because, oh my god, this is actually blowing me out of my mind. If we fall one more time, God, one more time, video ends. I'm actually gonna lock in here. Sorry, guys, I had to leave that call for a second. We're back in. Remember, one more time, video ends. The sad part is, I'm actually trying. Like, that's the sad part. Stay. Okay. Alright, this is might be where I die. Oh my god, why is he calling me right now? No! Oh my god, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys go to Virtual Sound and play Monkey Gab. It's really fun, but I played too much to the point it's like too repetitive and it gets like sick to my head. So remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.